Hello everyone and welcome once again to MJ's Maths and Stats. That's MJ Magic Studio to you.
Next, simple games 1-1, not knockout. Round robin games, you can say. If I say there are 10 teams participating and each team will play with other team once, each team will play with other team once, then how many matches need to be organized? There are 10 teams, each team will play with other team. Then how many games should be organized, or how many games should be there in this round robin stage? Great. This is nothing but NC2. If there are n teams participating and each team would be playing one game with other team, number of games need to be played are NC2. In this case, it is 10C2, that is 45. You want to understand the logic? It's very simple. Team number one is playing how many matches? 9 matches. With team number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Team number 2 is playing how many extra matches? 8. Why 8? Because team number 2 have already played this match with 1. So team number 2 will play how many more matches? 8. Team number 3, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last team will be left with playing 0 matches because last team have already played its 9 matches. Now, what is the sum from 0 to 9? Sum from 0 to 9 is 9 into 10 by 2. That is 45. If you look carefully, 9 into 10 by 2 is nothing but n minus 1 into n by 2. If n is the number of teams, then this formula becomes n minus 1 into n by 2, which is nothing but NC2, taking 2 positions at a time. Clear? But what we have seen in, like, example, IPL, there is a return matches also, na? Initially, when there were like 8 teams or 10 teams, 8 teams, there used to be return matches also. So, if I say 10 teams are participating, they all will play with each team twice. That means there will be return matches also. Then how many matches need to be played? Simple. It is simply 2 into NC2. NC2 is for first round and return matches again. So it will be NC2 plus NC2 or 2 into NC2. If you look carefully, this is 2 into n minus 1 by 2. It simply becomes n into n minus 1, which is nothing but NP2. So if it is return matches, formula used is NP2, that is n into n minus 1, simply 10 into 10 minus 1, 90. Clear? And if it is simply one round, it should be NC. Clear? Now they can build a question out of this. In an IPL tournament, there are 12 teams participating. Each team will play one return match with the other. Then top 4 teams will go to the qualifiers. Clear? First and second will play qualifier 1. Third and fourth will play eliminator 1. Then loser of qualifier 1 will play with winner of eliminator 1. Then the winner will go to the final. So total number of matches will be there. Total number of matches in that case will be 10P2 Done. Plus one first eliminator. Sorry, first qualifier, then first eliminator, then second eliminator, and then final. So it would be 90 plus 4. 94 matches would be played. This is how the whole fixture is first determined and then fixed. Number of matches played in that particular IPL will be 94 matches. Clear? Good.